Welcome back. Day 2, family vacay, Iceland. I wasn't gonna do a room tour because I didn't really dislike the room. I didn't really like the room or dislike the room. It's kind of funny, but I'll let you make the decision. Just to give you some quick suggestions. Very important to note the plugs. Bring a UK adapter, which is also for Iceland, European adapter. That's important if you want to plug in some of your electronic devices. It does have USB outlets as well on the side. Overall, the room wasn't bad. It's a little dirty because, we're getting ready to check out shortly. But it wasn't bad. It just wasn't the best. But here's the bathroom. It was clean though. It was modern. It was clean. And this is me. Queen size bed. Pull out couch for the city. Yeah. Coming. But overall it was good. But we're gonna get ready to head to the ship now. We'll be there shortly. Take care, guys. Welcome back. Check-in time. So underneath a makeshift building. So we just provided them with our bags. Making our way through security. So let's see how seamless this is going to be. And once I get through security, we'll come back. Remember to like and subscribe, guys. We appreciate the support. We are back. Couldn't film through security. Making our way onto this ship. So I'm going to turn the camera around and take a look. This is the little sitting area they have for people that I guess don't have their time slots in play. It gets you some refreshing agua. So visually, it's a port, right? So makeshift but efficient. Security didn't take that long to go through. We're gonna make our way on board.
Jacinia, let's go.
And we are on our way. So I want to return. So I'll show you the outside of the ship in a few moments. Stay tuned, guys. All right. So about to get on board. Turn around. It's the ship. So there's a little bit of a steep angle here, so we're gonna make sure we watch our step. This guy doing get some stretching in. If this was wet, I think people would have some problems, but I don't got to worry about them problems. I got my Nike boots on, good grip. And that's all you need. All right. We are going on the Prima. 2 years old. Once we're on board, I'll get myself settled and see what we're gonna get into first. We'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. It's about to be good. Welcome back. We out here at the Wave Football, my man.
Hey.
What's your name?
Happy.
What's your name? Happy. All right.
Hey.
At the Wave Food Bar. About to go and get our vacation started. Get my first drink.
Drinking now.
Come with me. Welcome back. Was doing way too much socializing, and so we did do a lot of filming, but I came back to the room, gathered myself, get settled. So now I'm going to show you the room. All right. So just to give you guys a little bit of information. When you get your sale card, you're going to put it in this little slot. That's what turns on your lights when you first come into the room. So if you look to the left, you got your little closet. Since the room is small, we kind of pre-pack or pre-set up for the following day. Got your shelving. Got your closet. Additional storage. And as you come here, you got your safe, additional storage. So as we pan around, let me show you the bathroom. Turn on the light. Very efficient. As you can see, bathroom. So as we pan around, pull out couch for the little one. You got your little queen size bed. And of course, what we all come to see is the view from the patio. It's a little chilly out here, but I'm gonna pause temporarily, answer this phone, and then we'll be right back. Sorry for that interruption. Had to answer the call from room service. We had some water delivered to the room. So as we come back outside, that is Iceland in the distance. Right now, we're going to be sailing to another part of Iceland for our first port of call. And yeah, it's about 45, 50 degrees outside. A little nippy, but it's crisp. It's crisp, to say the least. So I'm going to show you some other things associated with the room. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. One of the cool things is that they have USB connection on each side. I like the decor. Decor is very clean, very modern. You have an outlet here, and then another USB connection here. And again, we'll be pulling that out later. So, since this is a US based ship, you do have your international outlets for foreigners, USB, another USB, and then another outlet over here. That's your phone for your room service, glasses. So pretty efficient. So I'm gonna pause, and then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna go to a comedy show, drop off Jasenia at the Splash Academy, which we'll talk about later, and then we'll be back, guys. Thanks for coming along. Remember to like and subscribe. Appreciate the love. Take care.